Hey everyone, enjoy the show. What's up, Mantiques Network? How you doing today? What we have here is a Koehler Brewery cardboard ad from Erie, Pennsylvania. This was produced in the 1800s. It's cool content. You got a couple of real royal looking, I guess that's a dude back there with his woman. She's got a nice frosty brew with her. He's ruling the world. If you're into any kind of vintage advertising, or from Erie, Pennsylvania, or like the Koehler Brewery, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.